Thinking about building your next app without code? Bubble.io promises to let you create full-stack applications without writing a single line of code. But is it really worth the hype, or are there hidden pitfalls you need to know about? Let's find out. Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and let's begin. Bubble is a comprehensive no-code platform that lets you build web-based applications from scratch. Unlike other no-code tools, Bubble is a full-stack solution. You can design your front-end, develop your back-end, set up databases, and integrate APIs all within one platform. Whether you're building SaaS apps, marketplaces, mobile apps, or CRMs, Bubble handles it all without requiring any technical background. Key features. Bubble's standout features include its visual programming interface that lets you literally replicate your Figma designs, a powerful responsive engine for mobile and target optimization, and extensive API integration capabilities. You can integrate with virtually any service that has an accessible API, expose your own API endpoints, and even extend your app with custom code when needed. Plus, they've recently added AI development features that can generate interfaces from simple prompts. Let's move on to pricing. Bubble offers 5 pricing tiers for both web and mobile development. For web apps, the free plan costs nothing but limits you to 50,000 workload units monthly. The starter plan is $32 per month with 175,000 workload units. Growth costs $134 monthly with 250,000 workload units, and Team is $399 per month and includes 500,000 workload units. For mobile apps, pricing is higher. Free plan remains $0 with 50 kWus, starter jumps to $49 monthly with 170 kWus, and growth at $199 per month with 250 kWus, and Team costs $529 monthly with 500 kWus. Enterprise pricing is custom for both. If you exceed your WU limit, you'll pay an additional $0.3 per 1,000 units. This workload-based pricing can make costs unpredictable as your app scales. Pros and cons. The biggest advantages: development speed. You can build apps several times faster than traditional coding. Plus, there's an incredibly engaged community with tons of free resources, plugins, and templates. Bubble also has proven success stories with companies raising millions on the platform. However, there are significant drawbacks. The learning curve is steep. Expect 8 to 12 months to become proficient. Platform lock-in is a major concern since you can't export your source code. Bubble also struggles with large dataset processing, has limited hosting locations, US only unless you're enterprise, and isn't HIPAA compliant, which rules it out for healthcare apps. So in conclusion, Bubble is better for entrepreneurs and small businesses who need to validate ideas quickly and don't mind the learning investment. It's perfect if you want full control over your app's design and functionality. However, avoid it if you're dealing with sensitive healthcare data, need EU hosting, or require heavy data processing capability. You can find useful links in the description below. If this review helped you make a decision, hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.